Hey YouTubers, this is Sinkunchu here with another Hero Factory MOC and with a little twist of anime called Tokyo Ghoul. Tokyo Ghoul is an anime that talks about a main character named Kaneki who became a half ghoul after being attacked by a woman named Riza Kamishiro. This woman is revealed to be a ghoul, which is a human-like creature that hunts and devours human flesh, and that Kaneki is taken to the hospital and becomes a half-ghoul from her organs. Here is a MOC where this figure is a ghoul, and let's go have a look at it. It's just a model from front to back, from the right. Here is where this supports the Kagune, where the ghouls were activated when their eyes are blackish eye red and all. So that's and all. Okay, their Kagune is activated for attacks or defenses. The ghoul's eyes are turned into, I already said that was turned to black and red, also for attacks and defenses. Here I made two types of Kagune. This here is Kaneki's, the centipede or spider net something, and Hinami's Kagune, the combination of her father's and her mother's. So they're not very similar, but it's sort of like it, but it's okay. I did the best I can to do it. So let's put Kaneki's first. So the way to do it is to take this out, all these, and right here is where you have to, for the back of this, that's where you hook the Kagune with the ghoul model. So let's see there. Here you go. So let me put it in, and now let me take this out, and here we have Kaneki's Kagune. I'll put this bent down, this and there, so that way it'll be like that. Okay, I'm going to turn it around, so show you what it is. See, Kaneki's Kagune shows how when his eyes are turned black or in red for attack and defense is how the Kagune will look like. It's I put some details on it, but it's okay. It's that. So here you go. Next, I'm going to take it out and put Hinami's Kagune. My bad. So we're going to put that. See, from this to that. So put that, and put back the shape from the form. So like this, and that, and this. So yeah. Okay, next is Hinami's Kagune. To do that, you have to take this out and put this, and it'll be the same thing for Kaneki's Kagune. So put the same thing and right there. And now here we go. And voila. It's not like Hinami's Kagune where on the wings they have those red eyes looking, but it's the best I can do. So let me try this up. There you go. So I'm going to turn it again, and that's how it looks like. So from that to here, that's how it looks like. Now to take it off, same thing again, and this happens a lot of times. Okay, so here's the Ghoul model now. Now back to the original form, this and this. You fold it like that. And yep. Okay. So yeah, this is my Hero Factory MOC with an anime in it of Tokyo Ghoul. Thank you for watching. This is Sin Kun Chu. Over and out.